Hello, welcome to Easy Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, where in this video we're going to talk about how you can start affiliate marketing even if you're brand new, even if you really are not familiar with what to do. I'm going to show you a super easy and simple way that you can get started and start earning very quickly. So welcome to my channel. Let's jump right on in. The very first thing you need to do with affiliate marketing is choose the niche that you want to focus on. So that's just an area of the market that you want to focus on. And for the example of this video, I'm going to focus on the health and fitness niche in general, but we're going to kind of sub-niche that or drill down into a sub-niche of kind of health supplements, okay? And we're going to focus on health supplements. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate that. And let's jump right in. Now that we know our niche, health and fitness, and our sub-niche, health supplements, we're going to need to find a product to promote, okay? So one of the great places to find products is Amazon. You can make some decent commissions, and these are popular products, and they're easy to promote. So one of the best ways to find products is just go to this bestsellers section, and then since we're in health supplements, we go down to health and household, and then you can go down to vitamins, minerals, and supplements. And then with the method I'm going to show you, you can quickly make the content in really about 10 or 15 minutes tops. And so you could create, one piece of content every single day. And so one method you could do is just start with bestseller number 1. Make it, a piece of content that day, or 2 if you want. Spend half an hour, okay? And then every day pick 1 or 2 and just kind of work your way through all the top sellers in the supplement niche, because that's our focus. Now, again, this works for any niche, okay? So you can use this for pretty much anything. But again, for this video, we're going to focus on this. So let's just pick one. I'm going to choose this one for this video. And what we're going to do now is we're going to get some content created for a review of this product. And this is a great product because it's got a nice price point, $40, almost 50,000 reviews with a 4.5-star rating. So that's pretty awesome. And so what I usually do to create my content is I go to ChatGPT. This is AI software that's going to generate content for us. I do have the plus version, the paid version, which just reduces downtime since it's so popular. And then what I do is I grab this URL from Amazon. I come over here and I write the prompt. I put, now first I'm going to make a piece of video content. So write a YouTube review video script for this product. And then I put the link in there and let's get it working. Okay, and so while it's doing this, creating this script, I'm going to show you the next piece of software we're going to use is called Pictory. Now I'll leave links for everything in the description box down below, so if you want to get started, the links will be there. Pictory is a great software that makes video super easy because we're going to take the video script that we're creating in ChatGPT and we're going to upload that into Pictory, and it's going to make an AI video. It's going to add the scenes, the voiceover, the music, etc. And so very limited effort on our part, and so that's how we can make content that's quality but also done quickly. And then we can upload that to a YouTube channel and take advantage of all that free traffic on YouTube. Okay, so let's go back. Here we go. Look, there's our script. So let's go ahead and copy this. So I'm going to grab that. I'm going to go into my Pictory account. Now, Pictory lets you do several different things to make videos, but we're just using this scripted video. So I'm going to hit proceed. I think this is a product called Super Beats. So let's just give it a title and then paste in our script here. Now I'm going to pause the video just for a minute and kind of break this script up so it'll make the video easier to create. I'll be right back. Okay, so I just took a minute and kind of separated this out because it'll make it much easier to create the video. Okay, so here's our script, and for our scene settings, just go up here, and we're going to create new scenes on line breaks, okay? And that's why I separated that out. It'll just make it easier. So let's go ahead and hit proceed. And then you can see there's lots of different templates to choose from. And if you hover over the template, you can see how the text shows up. Sometimes it'll slide in, sometimes it'll fade in. You can change any of the text font, colors, background. So don't worry, like, maybe this one, right? Maybe you like the way it comes in, but you don't like the yellow background. Well, you can change that in the next section. So don't worry about that. Just find one where you like how it comes in, okay? So I'm going to go up and we're just going to choose this top one up here. And then we want 16:9 ratio, although you can also do vertical and square videos, but we're going to do YouTube, so we want 16:9. And now what Pictory is going to do, this is the AI part of Pictory, it integrates with some large video services, and it's going to grab from our script, grab videos that it think aligns with our script. Okay, so it's going to try and choose appropriate background videos, and it does it pretty quickly, so you can see it's basically done. And then it's going to open up the editor, and I'll kind of show you around the editor real quick so you can see how that works and what you can do inside the editor. Okay, so here we are inside the editor, and the main menu is down here along the left-hand side, so we'll kind of go through these. Right now we're on our storyboard, and so you see the scene storyboards over here on the left. Now you can link scenes together if you want, and you can also drag scenes if you want to change the order. Over here is the main video, and you can scroll through the scenes by using the arrows to go back and forth, or just by choosing the individual scenes down below. So let's go back to scene number 1. And if you, like I mentioned, if you want to change the text, if you click on the text, now you see this editor open up, and you can change, let's say we want the font to be that, and maybe we want it to be smaller, and so we do that. And then again, lots of other things that you can change. And once you have it, if you want this to be applied to every scene throughout your video, then just make sure you hit apply to all. Now, I'm going to choose a different font that I think tends to be a little easier to read. So we'll do that. Let's hit apply to all. Now, what you can do next is go down to the visuals section of Pictory. And this is where you can go through and change the background video that it automatically selected. So, the text says, "Hi everyone, today I want to share with you my experience with SuperBeets circulation and blood pressure support." And so they chose a video with someone getting their blood pressure taken. So that makes sense. I've been using this product for a couple of weeks now, and I have to say I'm really impressed. Again, so, you could use that image, or maybe you just want to say, change... let's see something with beats in it, right? Because that's what the product's about, SuperBeets. So, here's a little video, so we could pop that in there. And then again, you just scroll through, and that's what you do. So SuperBeets is made with non-GMO beet crystals that are packed with nutrients. So again, maybe that's fine. There's some vegetables. Anax helps support circulation and blood pressure. So again, they got a blood pressure machine. One things I love about this product is how convenient it is to use. And so again, you just go through and change out any video backgrounds that you want to. You can do elements. I don't do too much with this in my videos, but they do have stickers, GIFs, emojis that you can use. And then audio. You can create your own voiceover if you want, or have someone do it for you. And then you can upload that file in the My Upload section. Same thing with background music. They do have over 15,000 background music tracks that you can use, and you can sort by mood, purpose, genre, duration, and then once you find the one you want, now it's going to automatically pick one and apply it, but you can choose others if you want. And then same thing with voiceover. They have built-in AI voiceovers that actually sound really pretty good, okay? You can preview those by clicking on it, and once you find the one you like, then just click apply, and it'll apply that voiceover to the entire video. And like I said, you can upload your own background music if you have, or you can upload your own voiceover as well. And it does a great job syncing an uploaded voiceover to the text. So it really does a good job with that. You can change the text settings if you like. You can change the style. You can change the branding if you have a logo you want to put on your video, kind of a watermark per se. You can change the format. Now, once you make the video this way, you can actually go back in and then change it to a vertical or a square video if you want. And then the thing I just like to make sure you remember to do is the resolution. always good to save it as 1080p. Now, once you think you have everything the way you want, you can click preview and it'll generate a preview of the video. So we'll give that a second and it'll pop up and you can go through it, make sure it looks exactly the way you want, that the voiceover sounds good, the background music, the videos and text are the way you want them. And if so, then you can download it as a MP4 video file, which you can upload to your YouTube channel and take advantage of all that free traffic that is built into YouTube. Because a fairly large number of people will click on that description link that you put on YouTube and they will click through to Amazon. So make sure you put your Amazon affiliate link. Oops, so here we go. So you can just watch through the preview. So make sure you put your Amazon affiliate link in the description box down below. Now I did, in the script, the second to last scene, here we go. If we jump to it, I put, if you want to get started with Super Beats, and see the link in the description box below, and it actually picked a background video that says that, link in description. So that was nice. And then when you're done, you just go to generate, highlight over video, and it'll generate an MP4 video that you download to your computer, upload into YouTube. You can create a nice thumbnail for free, if you'd like, at Canva, and then you can get all kinds of free traffic from YouTube for your video. So I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. If you found this helpful, please leave a thumbs up. Check the descriptions for the products down below, and then also please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thanks so much for watching.